All right, so I'm going to show you an easy way to build an asynchronous, meaning the students are not live with you, lesson in Schoology. I always recommend that you build your lessons in your resources. And the reason being is they're then easy to add to your courses and they stay here from year to year. So you can see I've got some stuff from a couple years ago. So let's say you want to add a resource that has a video and a vocabulary list for the lesson for students. And I'll do a part 2 of this that shows you how you can do a lesson check with a quiz. So I do add page. Adding an assignment is going to mean that a student is going to have to turn something in or submit something. So I always do things as add page. Now let's say this is a lesson about space. There's my title of my lesson. You might put the date, you could put lots of different things. And using your headings and playing around with font size definitely helps students read things a little bit better. I'm going to say first, watch this video. Now, if I have a video that I want them to watch, which I do over here, the easiest way to get students to do this, rather than having them click on a link and having this video open in a new tab, is you come down to your video in YouTube that you found and you go to share and you want to click on this embed button. Then if you hit copy, it will copy all of this text. So you copy all of this text and you come back to your Schoology tab and we come over here to insert content. It's this little box with an arrow pointing into it. We're going to click on image or media and then we're going to click on from the web. Because this is a video and not a picture, we're going to click media. Now notice how this says link/embed. That's where we're going to copy in what we just put. Now it's going to come up with this yellow box, and that's totally normal, and I just kind of leave it alone. Now let's say after they watch this video, we want them to study some vocabulary words. So we'll say next, study these vocabulary words. And again, I've got some words that I want them to use, maybe that astronauts would use. So the video is about astronauts. I'm going to copy these and come back over here to Schoology, and I'm going to hit paste. So there are that's their video, and then that's their vocabulary. Now, if I want to align some learning objectives, I could certainly do that. Sometimes I just copy and paste my learning objective down at the bottom. It's kind of up to you, whatever your preference is. But when I'm finished, I hit submit. So now this lesson is down here, and when students would click on it, they will see that the video is right there for them to watch, and then there are their words that they need to study. In order to add this to a course, I could come over here, I could hit add to course, and then I could select all of my courses that I want to be able to see this. But I'm going to hold off on that for just a second. I'm going to, because I have a 5-minute limit on this screen sharing software, I'm going to stop this video and then do another video that is a lesson check video and then show you how you can put those together in a folder with those completion rules so that students have to view the video and look at the words before they can do the lesson check.